In this video, we'll understand the simple intuition behind machine learning with few examples. So let's dive in. Consider you are trying to toss a paper to a dustbin. After first attempt, you realize that you have put too much force into it. After second attempt, you realize you are closer to the target, but you need to increase your throw angle. What is happening here is, after every throw, we are learning something and improving the end result. We are learning from every experiments and experiences. Machine can do similar things too. As we learn from our experiences, machines can also automatically learn from every experiment or experience and try to improve the output for every next attempt. Let's see few more examples of machine learning. Usually we compute person's age using the date of birth. Machine learning can predict the age in more intuitive way, probably by analyzing the type of music a person prefers. YouTube recommends videos basis users' interest and past history. Let's see few more examples of machine learning. Is this an orange? No. How we identified that this is not an orange and it's an apple? On the basis of our knowledge, we know that apple has few characteristics, which include color, it can be green or red, shape, it can be round and slightly flattened at top and bottom, texture can be smooth and stem at the top. Other characteristics include star-shaped core and seeds in the center. So how can a computer tell that it's an apple? Machines can also learn from data or information that helps them to classify if it's an apple or an orange as humans and remember that knowledge for future use. Do you want to get a flat for rent? So rental prices depend upon various factors. Rental prices depend upon the city or locality. It depends upon the size of the apartment, the number of rooms present in the apartment, and the furnishing status of that particular apartment. How can a computer predict the rental value of a particular house? On the basis of certain characteristics of apartment, like city, location, area, size, amenities, etc., machine learning try to learn the pattern or trend from the given data, which helps to predict the rental value of the new apartment. So let's conclude what we understand about machine learning. Machine learning try to learn the complex patterns from the existing or the given data, learns those patterns, and utilizes this knowledge to predict on the unseen data. If you want